best part of my job is seeing customers' faces after they've just cleaned their leather furnishings. After we've professionally cleaned your leather furnishings, your home is a cleaner and safer environment for you to relax in. We're a local business and a big believer in supporting our local community. We're also a family-run business. My dad, Craig Mcmillans, started over 25 years ago and is now run by myself and my brother Fraser. And we hope that our boys will keep the family business running after us. The one thing I'm most proud of is Mcmillans Cleaning and Restoration is recommended by your neighbours, and we have over 100 5-star reviews. Why trust us? We have over 25 years of cleaning experience and knowledge. We are a member of the National Carpet Cleaning Association, meaning we meet the high level of cleaning standards. We are also Safe Contractor, Rule Safe, Master Rug Cleaners, all accredited. Our team also regularly attend training courses to make sure we are experts in the cleaning industry. That means when you invite a member of Mcmillans into your home, you can have peace of mind that you're in safe hands of a trusted cleaning professional.
I've used Mcmillans Cleaning Restoration for many years. I've recommended them to my friends and family who have all used them and always would give them a call. As a mum, and I run a busy household with 2 boys and a dog, and they've removed stains such as foundation, red wine and dog dirt.
I recently had Mcmillans came and cleaned all my carpets and my rugs, and they made a perfect job of everything, and I would highly recommend them to anyone else.
We want to make sure that you're delighted with the cleaning service that we offer. If you're not 100% happy, we'll either re-clean it for free or refund you every penny. If you want your leather furnishings professionally cleaned by our team, please call us on 0141 892 6300.